imagine this, getting an email from xyz123@gmail.com promoting an affiliate product or offer. Now compare that with getting an email from support@amazon.com. Now, which one are you most likely to trust? Obviously, it's going to be support@amazon.com. Here's the truth. In affiliate marketing, your email address is your business card. And in today's video, I'm going to exactly show you how to create a custom email address step by step using the domain which you have bought using Bluehost. Now, if you have not watched the video on how to buy the domain from Bluehost, you can always watch out the video on top right of your screen. Now, making money online is all about building trust with your audience, and this step is non-negotiable. Hey, it's Manogar there, and welcome back to the channel where we simplify affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, today is the part 6 of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Now, this is going to be one of the most important foundational steps of all. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building an online affiliate marketing business that is professional, that is trustworthy, and really helpful to others, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any free training drops. I'm always giving you value that most gurus charge thousands for. Now, Zig Ziglar once said, if people like you, they will listen to you. But if they trust you, they will do business with you. And that's why it's important to have a custom email address that builds trust online. So you might be wondering, why do we need all these custom email address? Now, Gmail and Yahoo have rolled out new strict policies regarding bulk email senders. Now, bulk email senders are those who are sending more than 5,000 emails per day, which eventually you will be doing as you grow your list, right? So they require 3 important things. Number 1, your email should be authenticated. Number 2, you should have one-click unsubscribe link. Number 3, you should have very low compliance rate. What do you mean by email authenticated? You should have your SPF, DKIM and DMARC records set up. It's like a digital ID card which says that you're a legit sender and not a spammer. And one-click unsubscribe. Now, people, if they are no longer interested in hearing from you, they should have easy option to unsubscribe from your email list. Now, the third one, very low compliance rate. You should have your emails not marked as a spam. Now, this will hurt your deliverability in the long run. Now, here's the kicker and the most important thing of all. If you're using email addresses like Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, or Hotmail to send emails on email autoresponders like AWeber, Getresponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, anything, they are not going to allow you to use those free emails to send emails to your subscribers. And that's why you need to have a custom email address. It's not just nice to have, but it's an absolute must if you're to do affiliate marketing business. Now, in the part 3 of this training tutorial series, I have shown you how to buy a domain and my go-to platform, which is Bluehost. Now, if you have not watched that, you can always check out the links in the description box below and also my affiliate links to get started quickly. Now, let's build on that foundation. Once you have your domain bought, now here's the steps that you need to follow to create your own custom email address with it. This will be the homepage where you can just go and log in. So once you're logged into your Bluehost account, it will look like this. Now, this is the Bluehost dashboard. And once you come here, you can see my sites, marketplace, email and office, domains and advanced. Now, when you go to this domains, you can click on my domains and you can see the domain which you have bought. Now, let's go and click on this advanced section to create our email address. So once you click on the advanced button, it takes you to the cPanel section. Under the cPanels, you have this email accounts. Click on the email accounts. Now you can see there under the email accounts, the list of email accounts that are available. Now you can see I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 email accounts that I have created with this domain. And you can also create 5 email accounts under a single domain. So you can see 1 available, 4 used. So I'm going to show you how to create a email address. So once you come over here, you can click on this create button option over here and you can see the domain, which is affiliatewithmano.com. Now, when you click on this drop down, you can see the other subdomains. You can see these are the subdomains: help.affiliatewithmano.com, info.affiliatewithmano.com, support.affiliatewithmano.com. So these are the subdomains which you can also use, but I'm going to use the main domain. So you can see the username and at affiliatewithmano.com. So here you have to enter the name that you're going to use to create your email address. So I'm just going to use it as customer care at affiliatewithmano.com, and here you have to enter the password. Now this password is going to be the one which you have used to log into your Bluehost account. So just remember the password, because now this password will be used when you go for authentication with your email warm-up solution. So paste the password over here, and once you scroll down, you can go and click on create. So success, you have created customer care at affiliatewithmano.com, which is going to be the email address. So you can see over here, customer care at affiliatewithmano.com. This is how you create your custom email address. Now that you've created your email address, you can't just blast your offers to your email subscribers. Email service providers like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook are going to send you direct to spam if you are not careful. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you step by step how to warm up your email address before start sending to your email subscribers. Just like stretching before a workout, like you need to warm up your email address. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss about both manual way and the automatic way, and I will walk you through both of those. Okay, so please don't miss it. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss the next video where I'm going to discuss in detail about the email warm-up software, and you will get notified the very moment when I upload my next video. Please stay tuned. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.